Along with the Catholic world, the faithful belonging to the Archdiocese of Shillong today observe the All Souls Day amid strict adherence to protocol issued by the state government. Unlike in the previous years, the Requiem Mass was held at the Limekra Catholic Cemetery in Shillong with a handful of priests, including 50 selected volunteers. The Catholic administrator, Father John Madur, along with the parish priest of Cathedral of Mary Help of Christians, were the main celebrants at the Holy Mass for the dead. The Covid-19 pandemic did not deter the faithful to attend All Souls Day. The faithful thronged the cemetery at different intervals, right from morning till 4 p.m., to lay wreaths, burning of candles, including praying for the departed dear one's souls, friends and relatives.